Okay, here I am just about 5 minutes later. I've traced a few of these. I'm swiveling it around. You can see how I'm going to do the next part. It's a little bit hard sometimes. Like I said, I picked out a harder shape. The rectangles and the parallelograms are easier. This is all swiveling around, but I just need to say, oh yeah, that goes in there. And it isn't perfect. You can see that there's like a little bit of error, but I can get around that by just not tracing that error. I just won't trace that. I'm just going to pick up over here, and then it just is what it is. And then I'm going to work that out. So if nothing else, if you get to this stage, you're doing really well. And I've been able to do this in about 20 minutes, so hopefully you can do this in an hour and 40 minutes. But you'll see the idea is that then as I draw these and fill out my page, here I can start with hexagons, right? This will just be a hexagon here. I'll get a ruler and do this, but I'm just doing this freehand. And I'm going to start off with hexagons like this, okay? I'm just connecting dots, and you'll use a straight edge. And then as I get to here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, oh yeah, well that's where I would be connecting my dots like that. And I'm going to make this bulge a little less. And then when I go over and get to the next one, I'll make the bulge a little less and a little less. And by making the bulges and the zigs and the zags a little less, a little less, a little less each time, it'll gradually transform into these flat hexagons. And that's the tricky part, and that's where you know, maybe the other Mr. Olson can help out a little bit, but that's the math part of it. If this is like a parabola and it's got a bump, you just do half of that bump, and then half of that bump, and then half of that bump, and it'll gradually work out. So I'll try to take a final view photo, but you can see I'm making pretty good progress. Good luck, everybody. I'm sorry I can't be here to do it with you.